Hello and welcome to Shilling Savvy, your go-to resource for personal finance tips, online side hustles, and how to grow your wealth in the digital world. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: how Kenyans can make money online using blockchain technology. With the rise of cryptocurrency, decentralized finance, and blockchain platforms, opportunities are growing, and many people are already tapping into this powerful tech. Let's start by understanding what blockchain really is. Blockchain is a digital record-keeping system that stores information securely and transparently. Think of it like a notebook that many people can see but no one can erase or change. Instead of being controlled by one company or bank, it's shared across many computers, making it safe from fraud and hacking. It's mostly used for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but it can also help with secure transactions, smart contracts, and tracking goods and businesses. Simply put, blockchain makes online activities more secure, transparent, and trustworthy. One of the simplest ways Kenyans can make money online using blockchain is by trading cryptocurrency. Platforms like Binance, KuCoin, and even local peer-to-peer exchanges like Paxful and Yellowcard allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Popular options include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even local altcoins. But trading is not the only way to earn. Many crypto holders are making money through staking. Staking is like earning interest in a savings account. You lock your crypto for a certain period, and in return, you get rewarded with more crypto. For example, by staking Ethereum or Solana, you can receive rewards directly into your digital wallet. Staking pools make this even easier for beginners. Another way to profit is through decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi platforms allow you to lend your cryptocurrencies, earn interest, or engage in yield farming. Here's how it works. Imagine you have some extra stablecoins like USDC or USDT. Instead of letting them sit idle, you can lend them on platforms like Aave or Compound and earn a fixed interest rate. It's a great way to grow your digital assets without actively trading. Yield farming, on the other hand, involves providing liquidity to DeFi platforms in exchange for rewards. While it has high returns, it's also riskier due to potential losses from volatility. Always research before investing. Next up are NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. These are unique digital assets, usually art, music, or collectibles, stored on the blockchain. Kenyans can tap into this space by creating digital art, music, or even virtual real estate and selling it on NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, or Magic Eden. Even photographers and musicians are getting paid through NFTs. If you have a creative side, this could be a game changer. Blockchain has also opened doors for freelancing. Platforms like Braintrust and LaborX allow freelancers to get paid in cryptocurrency, making it easier to work with international clients without worrying about bank fees or delays. If you're a developer, graphic designer, writer, or digital marketer, these platforms are a great way to start earning from your skills. Smart contracts are another key feature of blockchain. These self-executing contracts allow transactions without intermediaries. Businesses and developers in Kenya can use Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Smart Chain to create smart contracts. This is useful in real estate, legal agreements, and e-commerce. If you have coding skills, developing smart contracts can be a lucrative venture. If you're just starting, education is key. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Binance Academy offer beginner-friendly blockchain courses. Join crypto communities like Kenya Blockchain Ladies, Binance Kenya, and Nairobi DeFi Club to network and stay updated. In conclusion, blockchain technology offers Kenyans many ways to make money online. Whether through trading, DeFi, NFTs, freelancing, or smart contracts, the opportunities are endless. But remember, always do your research and invest wisely. Thanks for tuning in to Shilling Savvy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth online. See you in the next video.